Today I am going to discuss about a small name reaction known as the Strecker synthesis. This Strecker synthesis is used in the preparation of alpha amino acids. The other day we discussed about the Gabriel thalidomide synthesis, that also used to prepare the alpha amino acids. This is another procedure to prepare the alpha amino acids, particularly simple alpha amino acids like alanine, phenylalanine, etc. See here, the starting materials are aldehydes. So, Strecker synthesis. See, one, aldehydes are converted into alpha amino acids. Alpha amino carboxylic acids. Alpha, simply call it as the alpha amino acids. See, this is the convenient method. Now, question is, what are the reactants, what are the products, and what is the mechanism of the reaction? So, during this process, so one, A, aldehydes. Aldehydes are the starting materials. One, reactant is aldehyde. Second one, reagent is, that is normally we call it as the ammonium chloride and potassium cyanide. This ammonium chloride and potassium cyanide is a source for the ammonia and that is HCl. This on heating produce ammonium cyanide and KCl. Thermal double decomposition. This ammonium cyanide is unstable. It decomposes into the ammonia plus HCl. That means during the reaction we are treating the aldehydes and ketones with ammonia followed by HCl reaction. But reagent normally we call it as the ammonium chloride plus KCl or that is ammonium cyanide. This can be taken as the reagent or we can take this as the reagent directly, ammonium cyanide. One thing. So what happens here? I wrote this one. This is the aldehyde carbon. Right? See, during this reaction, one carbon atom is increased that appeared in the form of the COOH. And your aldehyde carbon is converted to the amine carbon, alpha carbon with amino group. So here, this is newly created carbon atom. This is from cyanide group. This is from aldehyde and that is NH2 is attached. This is nothing. In aldehydes and ketones we discussed about their reactions. One, aldehydes and ketones react with the HCl, nucleophilic addition reaction. Addition of HCl takes place on the carbonyl carbon to give the cyanohydrates. One. The aldehydes and ketones also react with that is, let me write the what in the reactions. This on treatment with the HCl, here H plus is the electrophile, cyanide ion is the nucleophile. This is the negatively charged center, this is the positively charged center. Cyanide goes to this and H plus ion goes to this. This is the center on which cyanide is HCl is adding. So this is the cyanohydryl alpha hydroxy, that is carbonitrile. Nitrile is formed, not carbonite. This is formed, idea, whatever the name and all these things, that is the compound. See, this aldehydes and the ketones when treated with the ammonia, this is a molecular nucleophile. First step is that is, this is the H, this is NH2, or this is OH, it's convenient for me, NH2, this is the H. This is a carbonyl group. NH2 added to 1 and H plus is added to 1 indirectly. So this is unstable compound on the same carbon. OH and NH cannot exist, and elimination of water takes place, that is imine is formed. Double bond NH, this is formed, imine is formed. So carbonyl compound reacts with the ammonia to give the imine, addition followed by elimination. Carbonyl compound independently react with the HCl to form the alpha hydroxy nitride, cyanohydrin, we call it as the cyanohydrin. Now what we are doing, we are using a reagent, ammonium cyanide or ammonium chloride and KCl. This is prepared by taking this mixture. During the reaction time, the ammonium cyanide is formed that undergoes decomposes to give that is ammonia and this one. So these two react each other one by one, and finally we get a compound known as the aminonitrile is formed. Nitrile on hydrolysis produce the carboxylic acid, alpha amino carboxylic acid. It is a two-step reaction. In the first step, that is aldehyde is converted to the aminonitrile. In the second step, it is converted into the, on hydrolysis, the carboxylic acids, alpha amino carboxylic acid is produced. See, now the reaction is C double bond OH is treated with the ammonium chloride plus potassium cyanide, heat it. You will get the ultimately, that is the NH2 HCl. This is called as the aminonitrile. Cyanide is the preferred functional group, so priority goes to the nitrile. Aminonitrile or 2-aminonitrile, if you want to specifically talk. This is the first step. The resulted aminonitrile intermediate on hydrolysis gives the CH, NH2, COOH. See what happened? This is the cyanide carbon. This is the carbonyl carbon, aldehyde carbon, aldehyde carbon, aldehyde carbon. This is the, let me put the word dollar. That is dollar carbon from cyanide. That is, this is the dollar carbon. This is the dollar carbon. This is alpha amine. That is, we are converting the aldehyde into carboxylic acid containing the one carbon atom more, and at the same time, that is, we are able to introduce the amino group on the aldehyde carbon, which is finally in the product became the alpha carbon. Finally, you are preparing the alpha amino carboxylic acid. Our amino acids are alpha amino carboxylic acids. So some the alpha amino acids which are responsible for the formation of the proteins can be prepared starting from the aldehydes. See, what is the mechanism of the reaction? See, if you see the mechanism of the reaction, first I told you this is ammonium chloride plus KCN gives KCl plus ammonia plus HCN, thermal effect. What we can do? Ammonium chloride on heating gives the ammonia plus HCl. We have seen undergoing the decomposition. Similarly, this is also undergoing the ammonium cyanide formed is undergoing the decomposition to produce the ammonia and HCl. Right? So this ammonia is reacting with this to produce the aminohydrin addition reaction. This is the carbon. This is adding on this as a nucleophile. Indirect addition followed by loss of water loop that leads to the formation of imine. IMINE. Carbon nitrogen double bond is called as imine functional group. So imine is formed. This is the first part of the problem. The second part of the problem is that is now HCN, hydrogen cyanide. This is negative charge. This is positive charge, partial negative, partial polar pi bond, polarized that side. That is HCl. This is H plus Cn minus. So covalent nature is more. The H plus is added to the nitrogen, cyanide is added to this one. So that is AN reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction. Cyanide to carbon and H plus to the nitrogen. Due to this, what happens? That is this is converted to the NH2. This is converted to cyanide. This is hydrogen. So your carbonyl carbon is this. Let me put the word star. Cyanide. Cn is added to this. This is this side. And this is the same thing. On this carbon nitrogen double bond, hydrogen is added to this. Hydrogen H plus ion is added to this. Cyanide ion is added to this. That's all. This is amino or alpha amino, that is nitrile is formed. This is the intermediate. This is the intermediate formed during the reaction. So this is the first step. Entire thing is the first step. It is the intermediate. Now this on hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, you know that it can be carried in the acid medium or base medium. Cyanide group is converted into the carboxylic acid. That is the CH, NH2, COOH is the product of the reaction. This is your aldehyde carbon. This is from cyanide. This is NH2. This is the schema of reaction. Let me remove this to avoid the confusion from the middle of the equation. HCl is added. AN reaction. Simple reaction. So suppose, let me take that is alanine. 2-amino-propanoic acid is called as, in biology or biochemistry, it is called as the alanine. Like carbohydrates, amino acids also have their own names. The IUPAC accepted those names. So that is it's alpha aminopropanoic acid according to the IUPAC, but it is called as the alanine, a important alpha amino acid. See how to prepare this. By using Strecker synthesis, we can prepare. How? This is the amine carbon. The carbon. This is the aldehyde carbon. This is from COOH group is generated from cyanide. Strecker synthesis. Then now what I have to take? And this is the aldehyde. This is the side chain. That is, I have to take the acetaldehyde and carry out the reaction. Acetaldehyde and this one. Take the acetaldehyde. And the acetaldehyde should be the starting material for the preparation of the first amino acid, alanine. This is acetaldehyde, double bond, ammonium chloride plus KCN mixture. Ammonium, just you can say the word ammonium chloride, KCN mixture, heat it. That is CH3, CNH2. This is cyanide is formed. This is cyanide. I am writing the aldehyde carbon. This on hydrolysis. Second step is the hydrolysis. I told the name of that compound, aminonitrile. This is generated. If you want to write the mechanism of the reaction, first ammonia, this on heating gives the ammonia plus HCN plus that is KCl. This ammonia first adding on the addition followed by elimination. Double bond N, H, imine is formed. This imine reacts with, that is HCN. Addition of HCN takes place on the imine bond. It is adding on the double bond. Even on the carbon-carbon double bond, HCN addition is possible. So addition is very poor there, and we have taken the barium cyanide as the promoting catalyst. That is HCN. Now it is converted into the CH3. Children, this is NH2. This is C triple bond and N. So propane nitrile compound. 2-amino propane nitrile. Amino nitrile is formed. Just if you give the water to this system, this is the aldehyde carbon, this is the cyanide carbon. Cyanide carbon is converted into the, that is carboxylic group, and this is converted to the amino carbon. So simple procedure. Suppose instead of this compound, if you take the, that is phenylalanine. You should know the structure of the molecule. Phenylalanine is nothing but a phenyl group is present on alanine. NH2COOH is the phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. So what is required? This should be the aldehyde carbon. So this should be the your carbonyl compound. That is 1,2-ethane, ethanol, 2-phenyl acetaldehyde is required. What is required? 2-phenyl acetaldehyde should be the 2-phenyl ethanol should be the starting material. This is from the cyanide of the ammonium cyanide. Now what we have to do? Start with the 2-phenyl acetaldehyde. So what you are doing? One, treated with the ammonium chloride plus KCN, potassium cyanide, heat 1 to hydrolyze, acidified water is used. So I am writing the overall reaction. CHNH2, this is COOH, this is my aldehyde carbon. That is aldehyde carbon. This is first step is the ammonia. I told you from where from ammonia comes. That is corresponding imine is formed. This is the aldehyde is converted into imine. This imine reacts with the HCN. This is the positive part, this is the negative part, partial. Then what happens? Corresponding CnH2 double bond, that is C triple bond N is formed. This is the dollar carbon. This is formed. Now this on hydrolysis gives, that is 2-amino 3-phenyl propanoic acid, which is known as the phenylalanine, which is an important alpha amino acid involved in the formation of the proteins. So this is nothing. It is one of the procedures of preparations of that's the alpha amino carboxylic acids. Thank you.